business of Leathercraft, starting and scaling a leather workshop. Market research. Analyze competitors and demand for handmade leather goods. Business plan. Outline your business structure and financial plan. Legal considerations. Register your business and comply with regulations. Workspace setup. Create an organized, safe workspace with quality tools. Skill development. Hone your skills and stay updated on industry trends. Suppliers and materials. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers. Product line. Start with a focused line. Offer customization options. Online presence. Build a professional website and leverage social media. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity and market online and offline. Customer service. Provide excellent service and encourage reviews. Launching your Leathercraft journey? Passion and craftsmanship unite in this exciting venture. Tip: explore European leatherworks for quality materials and inspiration. Check us out at elwshop.com. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more at European Leatherworks.